everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Melinda and I'm the Cali Crafter here on YouTube. I was recently I just started opening this to get it ready for you, but I was recently in a Valentine's Day swap with two of my really good friends, Geneva and Denise. Geneva Fraser is with Purposely Crafting the Divine Intervention, and she's here on YouTube. I will put a link to her description in the box below, so make sure you check her out. And here's a little sample of what she can do. Just a little one, because she's very talented and comes up with the most amazing things. If you look at my last video from a year ago, last Valentine's Day that is, she sent me Happy Mail, and it was a complete surprise, and everything in it was just gorgeous. Oh my gosh, so amazing. So please check that out, and I'll put everything in the box below. All right, let's get this open and see what we've got. Okay, box is open, and here we go. First I have a card. Look how cute. Oh, I just saw something roll by. Look at how cute. I'm pretty excited. Ah. All right, let's see. Let me read the little card and make sure it's allowed to be. You can see the cover though, or the card. How cute is that? She always does the best layering. So pretty. All right. Oh, nice. Okay, so a lot of things that crafters do that if you're new to crafting during swaps is a lot of people will actually not put anything inside, but they'll give you a letter or a note on the outside. So that way you can actually reuse the card for something else. Because as crafters like to share everything that we do. So that's one way to make sure that our work keeps on going. So let me read this note real quick and I will get back to you. One sec. Geneva, thank you so much for the very sweet note. I'm just going to show you just a little tiny thing. Look at her handwriting. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. I do wish kids were still taught how to do cursive in school, because that's for another day, but I just love the way cursive looks. It's so pretty. If you're like me though, I always do like half cursive, half print. So yeah, I gotta get back to that too. Let's get this open. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Look at all of our little goodies. Look at all these guys. One thing about swapping is we always love to do a fun presentation when you open it. And we also love when you have to make a mess. So, yep. She accomplished everything. Look how pretty. So cute. She put some rose petals in there. Adorable. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Geneva, thank you. I am so excited. Oh my gosh, look at her wrapping. It's in this really pretty heart tissue paper. Oh, so cute. And this little tag. That is pretty adorable. That looks like a vintage Valentine. How pretty is that? Okay, let's open. So in our swap, we were doing 4 different items. One that we handmade ourselves. One was bows, an embellishment, and there's 2 more. A sequin mix. And as we go through here, I'll remember. Bows. Oh, and a handmade flower. There we go. So let's see what this is. Sorry about the crinkles. Get that open. Okay. How cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this. Oh, these must be her embellishments. How pretty. And the little charm. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. Look at the little rose and the bow. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so cute. Good job, Geneva. I love this. Beautiful. Oh, look how pretty. I have always wanted to make one of these, and I never have. Oh my goodness. Look, it's like, look, her theme is vintage Valentine. Look how cute. Oh my goodness. There's like stuff on the outside and on the inside. Look at that paper clip. Oh my goodness. She knows I like those. Look at her theme. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. And on the back is some extras. Look how cute. These all come out. Look at that. She used like a printed paper. Oh my goodness. And they're a foam. Oh, look how cute. Those are adorable. Thank you. Oh my gosh. I'm always looking for extra little embellishments and side things. Oh, happy Valentine's Day. It looks like a card. Let me see if I can get it out. Let's see. Oh, they're individual little cards. Those are too cute. I am not getting it in the camera today. Sorry about that. There we go. That's pretty adorable. And then I dropped one. Thank you. These are so neat. Oh, where do I start? Take out this bag. Oh my gosh. Look at this bag. It is too adorable. She embellished everything. It says be mine and hello love. That is so pretty. Ooh, I'm excited. Oh, she fit a bunch in here. Oh my goodness. There we go. Oh, that's so cute. A compact mirror. Can always use that. Definitely. I wear contacts, so often I'm without one. Hot and cold iPads. Oh my goodness. I have never seen these. I have been trying to stay out of the stores lately, so I haven't seen pretty much any Valentine's stuff. Most of the stuff that I made for our swap was in, I already had. So I just had to put it all together and create something. These are the cutest things ever. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to use those. All right. She got a ton of stuff in this one tiny little bag. How did she do that? Ooh, a watermelon sheet mask. Oh my gosh, that's cute. Ooh, this is like a spa theme. Oh, I like it. Thank you, Janova. I cannot wait to use all of that. Look at her flowers. Oh my goodness. There's hearts and flowers. Oh my gosh, she had to have made these. Look how pretty. Little foam flowers. Those are too cute. I cannot, and little beads. Oh my goodness, thank you. I love those. I will definitely be using those. I've been wanting to make one of those wreaths that you can make like with old spools of thread and stuff. So I have so many from my great grandmother, and I think those flowers and these little hearts are gonna be, that would be perfect on there. How cute. And the little milk. Oh my goodness, I have never seen this before. It's like a little milk jug, but it has drawers. Look at this. I don't want to rip it. Maybe I gotta open it first. It's got Velcro in here. Ooh, I don't want to tear. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's just the top. And she has all these teeny tiny little flowers. Oh, I love them. Oh, those are at least the size of a quarter, if not bigger, maybe a $50. She has so many in here. Look how cute those are. Thank you. I love this container. The whole thing is full. Wow. Jennifer, you put a lot of time. Look at all these and effort into this. I really appreciate it. See if I can get the drawer. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, these tiny little black sequins. I am not doing good with the camera today. I'm so sorry, you guys. Little tiny black sequins and beads. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. I have never seen this before. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the other day I was at the store. Oh, where was I at? I can't. Right here, I know I don't go very many places, but I did see something like these, and I thought they were the absolute cutest. Oh my gosh, me and the camera today, I swear. I'm so sorry. There we go. Look how cute those are. Oh my gosh, they're like little, they remind me of like little water, what are they called? Snow globes. I only have like 50 snow globes, but look how cute. Oh my gosh, thank you. And all the little flowers and sequin mix. That's so cute. Oh, these are like some of my favorite flowers. I had some of these and I used them all right here. Oh my gosh. And they're like on a, you could see the metal on the back. What a beautiful embellishment. Thank you so much. I don't even want to open them all because I'm going to end up, I might have to leave that one out so I can I'll fix it right after the video. Here we go. Here's another one. Oh. Oh, I can always use these. There you go. Little rings. And some brads. I can always use brads. I think everybody can. Well, thank you very much on that. I'm going to close this one up. I'm actually going to scoot the box over so I can get to everything easier and so you can see it better. Look, she even did a bag topper. Oh my goodness, look how cute. She layered her gems to make them one big pack. Can you see that? Look at the topper. How cute is that? And the little rosette and the flag. And I'm losing these little red balls again. Too cute. I can always use rhinestones, that's for sure. And gems. All of my stuff's always usually got a lot of bling on it. All right, here comes another cute one. Look at that. Oh my goodness, let's see. Is the light on there very well? Whoop, sorry, that was my light. There we go. It's like an apothecary jar, and she put little candy hearts in it. Little sequins. How pretty is that? Thank you, Jennifer. That's so cute. Look at the little tickets. Oh, that is adorable. I wonder where you found the die for that. Oh my goodness, I would love to have that. Here's some more bows, or flowers, I mean. Okay, here comes another one. Look at this. How cute is this container? My bedroom's theme is love, and so that's where it's going. How cute. I have everything in my bedroom says love on it. Love and hearts and the occasional Kermit the Frog. I know, random. But I love Kermit. All right, let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness. These are her handmade bows. Oh, she didn't do 4. She did 1,000,000 of them. Oh my goodness, look how cute they are. There's that one. There's a ton here. With her little, oh, look how hard it was. That tiny little thread in there that she stuck on there. You outdid yourself, girly. This one's got a Brad on it. Oh, how cute. You really outdid yourself. Oh, look how cute. Oh my gosh, I have needed bows for so long, and I don't have a bow die, so I always forget. I need to get one. I have a Cricut, but I feel like it doesn't really make them the same way that a die would. She packed this thing. Okay, we only were supposed to do 4 bows. I did 3 because I forgot. As soon as I sent it, I was like, oh no, I was supposed to do 4 bows, but mine were like a bigger size. These are perfect. Oh my gosh, her bows are too cute. Look how cute. I love the little blue. Can you see the blue glitter? Oh, so pretty. How did you think of doing all of these? What a gorgeous color. Oh my goodness, there's a ton in here. Lady, you outdid yourself. And that one's just 2 bows stuck together. Let's see if I can get it apart. There we go. All right. Thank you so much. I just absolutely adore this one. Too cute. All right. Let's get these aside. Oh, I don't want to squish any. Okay, here we go. I just pulled the rest of the stuff out of the box so I can get it on the table to show you. Look at this. How adorable. Look at this cute little bag with her little topper. See if I can get it open. Let's see. Where did she find this lace bag? Sorry for the crinkling, you guys. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Ah! And then I dropped it. Sorry. Look how cute. Where did you find these? Oh my goodness. This is her sequin mix. Let's open it. She even decorated the little jar. Let me see if I can get it open without flinging them all over the place. Here's her sequin mix. Oh, it's got little conversation hearts. Cute little. There's red and blue. I love her theme. Red, blue, pink, white. Oh, so cute. Thank you. Okay, you need to tell me where you got this heart because I need these. I love the heart theme and love theme. Thank you. I'm gonna put this guy over here. I'm just setting things to the side and I'll go through them again and reorganize when I'm done. Look at this one. This is it. I've got 2 more things after this. Live happily every day. Oh, thank you. She even did the outside of the bag. Where did you find? You have like the best stuff. Where did you find all this stuff? Here we go. Oh, yeah. What is Valentine's Day without a little bit of chocolate? Look how cute. Oh, all my favorites. Yep. Anything with caramel, sea salt, caramel, all of that. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Okay, let's see. I think I want to do this one first because this looks like a really intricate one. Oh my goodness. I have a feeling there's some more candy in there. Look how cute. Just a little baggie. How am I going to get in here? Just slide it off. A pretty little ribbon. This looks like candy. I should get that on there. I guess. Oh, there we go. Okay, now I'm in. Yep, look at that. I had a feeling because I can kind of see the gold through it. Oh my goodness, one of my absolute favorites. Ferrero Rocher, I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know, but they're delicious. I do know that. Thank you, Geneva. Oh my goodness. You're getting me in the crafty spirit. I think I'm going to have to come back in the craft room because I always have a jar full of like little candies and stuff. So whenever people come over, I'm getting these little balls everywhere. They're funny. They know they have a candy jar to go to. There we go. Oh, look how cute. Oh my gosh, another heart box. Did you see that? Look at all her layers. She's got one, two, like 2 rosettes. I love this printed paper. I don't know where you found that. All right, let's open. Look how cute is this. Oh my goodness. She knows I have dogs and love my dogs. Look at how I woof you. Those are the cutest things ever. Thank you, Geneva. These are adorable. You knocked it out of the ballpark, girl. I cannot believe how pretty you did. And it's so interesting when we do swaps and stuff to see what everybody finds in their area and how people think of things and put them together. And this was just absolutely amazing. I really appreciate all the hard work and you putting all of this together for us. This was so much fun and really got me into wanting to get a whole bunch more done. All right, thank you so much, Geneva, and don't forget to look at the description box below, and I appreciate you stopping by. Don't forget to also look at Denise's video. It's coming up next. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.